Alright, how many of you play cards? Raise your hand so I can see you. Playing card, players card, you play cards, wonderful. Who else plays cards? Madam at the end, can you join me here for a second? Give her a huge round of applause, guys! You can stand right here. What is your name? Nirali, take a step towards me. You'll drop the mic. It is expensive. Yeah, she was very close. Nirali, you said you play cards, yes? Can you shuffle them? Thank you. That should do it. Now, I'm kidding. So funny, no? Shuffle. Yeah, shuffle. Whoa, you actually play cards. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Fuck the show. Let's play rummy or something. Nirali is around the corner. Let's just, you know what? That was a good shuffle. Now put the cards back in the same order they were. I'm kidding. Nobody can do that. I'm kidding. I'll take that. Nirali, lovely. Now, Nirali, every single card in the deck is different. Yes, they're all different. I'll show it to the audience also. Every single card is different. Blah blah blah. I'm talented. I don't need a magic shop deck. Now, here's the thing. Nirali, I want you to think of one of these cards. Don't say it out loud. Just think of one. You got one? Hold the cards. Now, there's no way I can know this, what you're thinking of, right? Nobody came to you before the show, Nirali, and said, hey, Nirali, Karan will call you on stage. He'll ask you to think of a card. Think of this particular. Nobody said that.
No, somebody did.
Somebody did? See, Nirali, I am the professional liar here. You can't. Okay, no, but on a serious note, nobody said that to you, right? Let's hold the deck. See, magicians are very famous for using birds in their shows, right? I mean, they're cute. You know, you can stuff them in your sleeves. PETA doesn't care as much as you think. So we use birds in our acts. I have a bird today with me who's going to do the trick. I have a duck. His name is Roger. Roger the magic duck. Can I have Roger? Nirali, this is Roger. Yes. Now we will pretend like it's a real duck. A duck that bites, for example. It's a real duck. Touch it. It's actually like, don't! I said pretend it's real. What? Okay, now we're going to do this. Nirali, I'm going to place the cards in Roger's palette right here. You're thinking of a card, merely thinking of it. Right? Hold the duck like this. Perfect. Let it face the audience. Now there's a high chance you people might have seen a duck do this before. Nirali. They might have. Hold it like this. It's my prop. You don't get to do whatever you want with it. Okay? You might have seen a magician do this before, ladies and gentlemen, but be fair. Have you ever seen a duck do this trick? Blindfolded. We're going to try. Blindfold the duck. Yeah, hold that. Perfect. You've done this before. Blindfolding. Yeah, okay, lovely. Fantastic. No, she has. I am unable to do it, but she has done it. Yes, lovely. Now, Roger cannot see anything, Nirali. Can you believe I get paid for this? Roger cannot see anything. You're thinking of a card. It's not the Jack of Hearts, right? The last card is not that. Okay. Roger is going to take first. Roger is going to take a sense of the deck. He's taking this reminds you of something else, I know, but he's taking a sense. Chill out, guys. He's taking a sense of the deck, and I think I'll have to help him out. So I am not helping him out. It's just me helping my. There you go. Now Roger has one card and he's done it on his own, Nirali. We have a recording. I have not helped him. Say yes, we'll edit the part. Say yes, we'll edit it. Lovely. Now Roger has a card. Nirali, for the first time, and this is impossible, guys, because she's only thinking of a card. You did not take one. You did not touch one. You thought of one. Nirali, for the first time, what card are you thinking of? Tell me. Today. The Two of Hearts. Correct. Very good. Fantastic. Take this away. Nirali, that was a good choice. That was a very good choice, Nirali. But I seriously want to do something with playing cards. And like you know, every single card I've shown you that. Now, do you want to shuffle these cards again, or are you happy with the shuffle? You want to do anything to it? You want to shuffle again? You can if you want. Are you sure? Yeah. There are various ways to shuffle cards, by the way. Yours was nice. One way is this. I shuffle like this. This is called the overhand shuffle. What you did was this. You did this, right?
Yeah.
That's called the Hindu shuffle. Yeah, the sound is very important. And then we have a professional way of shuffling cards, Nirali. This is interesting. Look at that. See that? Yeah, 5 years of my life, nobody cares. Look at that. All right, and Nirali, you know the unprofessional shuffle. There's one more. Nobody knows about this one. The unprofessional one looks like this. Yep, that's it. And the last one is fantastic. This is my favorite. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you. You know what that is called, Nirali? That's called showing off. Now, Now Nirali, you'll genuinely pick a card, but I don't want people to think that I'm trying to push the card that I want you to pick. So I will give you a choice to change your mind once you pick a card, right? So say stop wherever you like. Before I'm done with the whole thing, yeah? We really have to go home, Nirali, you know that, right? I have a bag, but it doesn't mean it's luggage. It's like, just say stop when I do this. Right here? Are you sure you're happy with that? Do you want to change your mind or you want to stick to this card? I don't want you to think that. You're fine. Are you sure? Okay. Yeah, take the card. Don't show it to me. Show it to everybody else in the room. I'm going to turn around and look at the black curtain here. Yeah, just everybody in the audience saw there. Like, black curtain either? Nirali, are you done? Do you remember the card? Okay, perfect. Nirali, I'm not going to turn around. I just want you to, no, don't. Put it anywhere in the packet you like, right? When I count till 3, okay? So I will say 1, 2, 3 and then you will... That clearly shows she is not a stooge. A stooge would have known not to do that, Nirali, to be honest. Okay. We have to do this in a different way now, okay? It's okay, I'm a professional, I will handle it. Nirali, I'm going to cause, now I have to use my real magic powers. I'll have to cause your card, whatever it was, to rise from the middle to the top. Watch. What's the deck? You know what happens when I snap my fingers, Nirali? Absolutely nothing happens. Magicians do this for no reason. I don't know why. Alright. But no, in that distraction, I have got one card to the top. One card and one card only. The 2 of clubs. 2 of clubs. Is that your card? Okay. Ace of clubs. Ace of clubs? No. We just have to do this 50 more times and we'll get it. No, I'm kidding. Nirali, I'm kidding. Let's not do that. 50 more times is too much. But Nirali, let's be honest. There is no way for me to know your card now. Certainly because you screwed my career up by doing that before I told you. But now here's the thing. अच्छा है ना? She's crying with laughter. हाँ हमको तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ खड़े. You want this? You want the specs? It helps. You want them? No. This is just, yeah, let's discuss my specs in the room. What number was that? कौन सी clinic से किए तूने? Oh, अच्छा. Asian Sky Shop. That's the only one I know for some reason. But here's the thing, Nirali. You came up here, you didn't even know you were going to do this, right? I mean, you came thinking Gujral is the only one doing this today, and then I appeared because I don't have videos anymore and I have to shoot new ones. So here's the point. There's no way you could have known beforehand that you'll come here, you'll shuffle a deck of cards, you'll pick whatever card you picked. There's no way for me to know that either beforehand, right? Now, before you came here, I gave Vrushali an envelope, the future. Vrushali, this is my envelope. And Dipen, you might realize that mine is much bigger than yours. Take your time. Take your time. Now, Vrushali, this is the future. You know how do you know this is the future?
Because you are telling me.
No, because it's written on this side. Alright, now this is an open envelope, so do not give it to anyone. Do not open it yourself. Keep it with you safe. You are the guardian of the envelope. Inside that is a piece of paper. If I pull that piece of paper out now, and your card is already on that piece of paper, would that freak you guys out?
Yes.
5 people like that. ठीक है, कोई नहीं. I'll take that from you, Vrushali. Thank you for handling my envelope. Give her a round of applause, guys. I'm going to take out whatever is inside this, Nirali. You will only say a yes or a no if your card is there or not. If she says yes, for once react like a magic trick has happened. And if she says no, then you can just go boo and I don't care. Okay? Perfect. Ready? Nirali, this is your moment to say yes or no. Nirali, yes or no? Is your card there? Is it there? Is your card there? Is that right? Of course it is. Sir just went like, not even a decent guy would do this in his life. I'm not so decent after all. Nirali, but you know, we've done this whole thing, but we still don't know what your card is. So what is your card? What was her card? What was this card?
The first card.
No, the first. Forget about the duck found it. Forget about the first card. What was the second one that you had? Six of diamonds. Thank you. Nirali was almost about not to answer and continue the show for 3 days. Six of diamonds. Thank you, sir. Which is this one? Six of diamonds. Right? Can people at the back see? Yeah, I have a bigger one at the back. Six of diamonds. Yeah. Nirali, this is for you. You get to keep that. Give her a round of applause, Nirali, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. You can go back to your seat. Yes.